All right, I have this 2-piece wrench extension and breaker bar kit here. I'd like to show you some of the special features of it and just how it works. All right, first I have this piece right here, this wrench extension part. It's just a little over 13 inches long. It's got this nice shape to it. It's got some nice weight to it. It's very sturdy. All you simply do is just take your wrench, slide it in, and you get that extra reach, that extra torque when you're trying to get those stubborn bolts off. You can use this with a variety of different wrenches. You can use it with a crescent wrench like this. You can use it with a combination wrench like this. You can even use it with a socket wrench very easily. Sometimes you just need that little extension too because you're working in an awkward place. So this little piece right here, let's say I want to get this wrench up in there, but I just can't really reach my hand up in there. I'm just gonna put this piece over like this. So if I'm working here, I slide this over, add my second wrench to it, and then I can get that extra torque. And I can make it to where if it's in a hard to reach place, I can lower my angle down lower so that I can work this. So this is a nifty little piece right here. So this piece right here is a 21 millimeter hex, or this right here, I'm using a 3/16 wrench on there, and that works just as well. There's really such a large variety of different things you can use these for. Get that extra torque. And you can move it. Need to change your tire? This easily fits on your tire iron to help you get that extra torque that you need to help get those stubborn lug nuts off. So I think these are something that everyone should have in their toolbox. The wrench extensions, breaker bar, it's just a must. It's going to make everything so much easier for you. It has for me.